Okay, hello guys and welcome to new video, which is this is mapping video. Okay, yeah, before we start trade we need to mapping first. Okay, what next for gold? Okay, we start from biggest time frame, which is monthly. Yeah, absolutely buy. Okay, so what happened at weekly? Weekly still reject the zone, which is RBS zone, and still react on bullish. Okay, so weekly still on bullish right now, and then what we can see on daily opening today have spike, which is have gap, and spike around 100 pips something from 2018 until 2028, so around 100 pips. So what next for gold? Right, yeah, a lot of question. What next? Okay, so daily, okay, daily have a lot of trend line. Okay, if you're using trend line, yeah, this trend line already selling, and from here until here also selling, right? So it's quite sell if you using this trend line. But what if you change this trend line from here until here? Still respect, right? Still respect, right, on daily. So currently daily, for me, if you ask me on sideways, okay, still on the channeling, still sideways in the channeling, and still didn't have strong breakout. Okay, now I delete. Okay, now what we can see at daily have engulfing sell here. Okay, just marking here the resistance first. Okay, and then the second one here. Okay, first marking. Okay, next precise. Okay, in case daily today, Monday, daily closing above the blue zone, which is engulfing by here, that's mean it's quite risky to find sell. Okay, in case close daily like this, okay, that's mean this candle already break. Okay, so now we check on H4. Okay, on H4 what we can see have trend line, but the trend line is, okay, the trend line actually the first touch, second touch, and third touch, which is this breakout. This breakout break, first touch, second touch, and third touch. So it might be it's not valid anymore for this zone. It's not valid, but maybe have triple bottom, triple top, first, second, and third, maybe, but we need to waiting the game, and let's see what will happen at London session soon. Okay, so as for now, on H4 have engulfing and have resistance, still not break, this resistance. I just marking first here, and then we change to H1, still have resistance here. This engulfing style, but it's more quietly buy because this is H1 engulfing, right? It's quite still have potential to shoot up until this level, and or will break this level and then turn it down. Okay, now let's market this side and waiting my instruction. Okay, either I give buy or sell just ready. So just turn on notification and unmute, and then pin my channel. If I have setup, I will share. As for now, gold still sideways and still didn't have any clear direction. Okay, either on H1, okay, H1 already break. Okay, H1 already break, so it's quietly looking for buy on H1, but H4 still selling. Okay, H4 still selling, but just waiting. Whatever it is, just waiting the game. Okay, so stand by and stay tuned. What will